Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this content, I have a playlist full of technology tutorials like this. I hope this video helps you. Before we start, let's roll the intro. Today, our video tutorial is about how to change your profile picture on Facebook without your friends seeing it on their newsfeed. This is for those who want to change their profile picture discreetly, without notifying their friends. Usually, when you change your profile picture on Facebook, it immediately shows up on your friends' newsfeeds. This tutorial is for those who prefer not to broadcast their profile picture changes. Your friends will just notice your new profile picture without seeing a post about it. To help you understand, I will show you the steps. It's simple, so follow along. First, make sure your Facebook app is updated. Go to the Play Store and update the Facebook app. Once it's updated, open your Facebook app. Now go to your profile by clicking on your profile picture. Usually, when you change your profile picture, it posts immediately on the newsfeed for all your friends to see. Let's change our profile picture now to show you how it's done. Click the camera icon next to your profile picture. Choose Profile Picture and select the picture you want to use. You will see an option at the bottom that says Share your update to newsfeed with a check mark next to it. If you uncheck this option and then save, your profile picture will update without posting to your newsfeed, and your friends won't see the update. Uncheck the box, then save and wait for it to update. Check your newsfeed to confirm that the new profile picture update wasn't posted. You'll see that it hasn't posted to the newsfeed, and your previous profile picture post remains. This is how you change your profile picture without notifying your friends. They will only see your new profile picture when they visit your profile. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our new tutorial videos. Comment below if you have any topics you'd like me to cover. Don't be shy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.